tidings of joy and publishes salvation, and saith unto Zion, thy God reigns, our God reigns. And the watchmen shall lift up their voice, with their voices together they shall sing, for they shall see eye to eye, when the Lord shall bring again Zion. Break forth into joy and sing together, for the Lord has comforted, the Lord has redeemed Jerusalem.